Okay, so everybody, we are working on punnett squares. So the first one, you can see how to do it, dragging and dropping within the Google Slides presentation. I am also wanting to show you how to do this basically on paper, and you may end up thinking as we work, you prefer to do these on paper, and that is important. So the first thing you want to do is just draw a square. It doesn't have to be a perfect square. And then you want to divide the square into fourths. So essentially you have 4 squares. That's why it's called a punnett square. And I'm going to do the first cross that you are able to drag and drop. There's also a video for dragging and dropping, and it is capital Y. I'm going to color code this so you can see it, and lowercase y. So this would be one parent. And the way we represent the cross is you use a multiplication sign. In the second parent, these are plants. If they were a different type of organism, we would say mother and father, but lowercase y, lowercase y. So we'll put that down the side. Just to reiterate, it doesn't matter if you put the first one on the top or on the side, as long as the alleles for each parent are in the same place. Okay, so let's start with this first capital Y, and we're going to fill in the box. This one goes down, capital Y, capital Y. So let's go ahead and move this one so we can fill in this box completely. It's going to go across, lowercase y. So you'll see that there's a possible offspring that would be the heterozygous combination for capital Y, lowercase y, which would be yellow. Okay, let's do this one as well. This one goes over. So they go down and over. Same possibility, capital Y, lowercase y. Now let's do these 2 boxes. Lowercase y will go down, down. This y goes across, this y goes across. All right, so if we're thinking about the possible genotypes and phenotypes, if you're doing this on paper, you'll come over and just write them down, capital Y, lowercase y, and lowercase y, lowercase y. Okay, and this one is going to be, there's yellow, that would be the phenotype, and green. And then you would say 2 of the 4 are capital Y, lowercase y. And you can write it as a fraction or a percent, 50%. And then 2 out of the 4 are lowercase y, lowercase y. So that is the same. Now, we know this one will be yellow because the capital Y is dominant. So 2 out of 4 will be yellow. I don't know why I changed colors, but I did, or 50%. And these 2 are homozygous recessive, lowercase y, so they will be green. So if you prefer to show your work this way, it's totally fine. You would just take a picture very quickly and attach it to your work or send it to me.